SQL Group By Clause. The group by clause in SQL is like putting similar items together in a box. Imagine you have a bunch of different fruits, and you want to know how many of each type you have. You can use group by to group those fruits by their type so that you can count them separately. In SQL, you might have a table with columns for fruit name and quantity. Using group by, you can group the rows by the fruit name, and then perform operations like calculating the total quantity for each type.
Alright, let's take a real-time scenario. In this diagram, we have a tables, treatment visits and departments. Every treatment visit belongs to a department. In treatment visits table, we have a column, department ID. It's a foreign key. It links to a table, departments, department ID. Now we need to write a query to get number of appointments for each department. And we can achieve this by using group by. So let's start writing a query. So let's start from treatment visits. We will make an inner join with the departments table. After that, we will make a group by with the department name. And we will remove the wildcard star, and we will specify the group by column, which is the department title, followed by the aggregate function count star. By this, we can achieve department-wise number of appointments. Let's organize the results by using order by. This query counts the visits per department and then order the results by number of visits in descending order. Departments with most visits appear first.
If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.